Here we have a 1984 Jeep CJ7. It's got 4.0 inline 6-cylinder. We just did a complete custom single exhaust system on it with a nice Magnaflow out to a nice stainless steel tip there. Followed all the original stock design. Got a nice wide open Magnaflow there, just give it a nice mellow-tone sound. They upgraded the fuel on it. They've got a wide band sensor here. It needs a little tuning, but it still sounds pretty good. Let's see what it sounds like. It's loading up a little bit of fuel. It's a work in progress, but give you kind of an idea. Sure, they'll get all the bugs worked out in it. Well, it's not running real good right at the moment. Got to do a little tuning on it, but it's a nice old school Jeep. Figured do a little outside shot of it, show you some nice clean exhaust work. How we finished it off. Got a nice clean look to it. Don't see a lot of these old Jeeps. The Renegade package is pretty clean.